The question I want to discuss today is, what are the pros and cons of online courses versus coaching? So with online courses, what you typically get is the start to finish blueprint, step by step, with workbooks, training videos, tutorials, that sort of thing, to get you to a certain result. Now this is good because somebody has worked it out and is sharing that process with you. It's typically a lot more affordable than coaching. So the types of people that this works for are people who are a force of nature, who can follow the process. They've got inbuilt motivation and accountability, and they can just get it done. So this is great. You get incredible value because it's all laid out for you, step by step to follow. Now, if you compare that to coaching, the main difference is it's often the same information, but what you're paying for is the hand-holding, the accountability, and the one-on-one advice specific to your situation. Now, oftentimes when you've got the start to finish blueprint, that's good, but you may be at a certain point. You may have done certain things. You may know, okay, I know the start to finish process, but what of all those options do I do next? And that's where coaching can be really useful. I find that people that engage my coaching services, for example, love the accountability. They love the help with actually crafting the message that's appropriate for them and knowing exactly what they need to do next. So they're really the pros and cons. Of course, the coaching is much more expensive than the online courses. Normally, probably an order of magnitude of 10 times more expensive, give or take. But oftentimes you can get to the result faster because you've got someone holding your hand and guiding you to the next step. So I hope that helps. And my name's Adam Franklin. I'll see you on the next video.